Yeah, see the video. Okay, this is the walk to the prayer chapel. We're going this evening. This is a little what you call?
Path.
Hi.
The pathway to the prayer tower.
Yeah, this is the prayer chapel. There's a little walk here. This is what you call this here?
The woods.
The woods, right? The woods. Yep. This is the road. It's not that far away. We parked down there. Don't bring the van anymore. So you can see the chapel right there. See it? Isn't that beautiful? It's really nice place to get along with the Lord. It's really nice. This is so beautiful. Ah, this is awesome. This evening, 7:30 at night, it's still clear. Very beautiful. Here we are. There you go. Prayer chapel.